Hello and welcome to How to Play Aces Up, a solitaire game. To play you will need a 52 card deck. The object of the game is to discard every card other than the 4 aces. The game starts by creating 4 face-up piles by flipping the top 4 cards of the deck face up. If there are multiple cards of the same suit, the lower ranking card of that suit can be discarded. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. As mentioned, the game begins by flipping the top 4 cards from the deck face up to form 4 card piles. Here, there are 2 spade suited cards, and the lower ranking 10 is discarded. When there are no other cards that can be discarded, another 4 cards are flipped up in the 4 spaces. Only the top card of the piles are active. The 4 of diamonds is discarded. This opens up the jack of clubs, and the 10 of clubs can be discarded. When there is an open space in the layout, any card can be moved to it. The 10 of hearts is moved to the open space, and the jack of diamonds opens up. Now the 9 of diamonds can be discarded. 4 new cards are flipped up. The player will continue to discard cards when possible, and continue to flip up cards to go through the entire deck. Once a player has gone through the entire deck and there are no more possible discards, the game is over. Count the cards still in the layout for a game score. The best possible score is 4 with only the 4 aces remaining. That wraps up How to Play Aces Up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.